today what you're going to be watching is how to build a chicken coop. Remember to subscribe so that you can see it. And then you can see other awesome videos.
Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to part 2 of our chicken coop. You got to see a quick recap of the building of the main structure of the chicken coop, and now we're going to go into how did we put the door on and what all the different steps of that. But when I did research to figure out what size of a hole to make, all the different places I read and with people that have experience said to make them about 10 inches wide and anywhere from 10 to 13 inches tall like that. And so I'm 11 inches wide and I'm 13 inches tall, so it's just perfect. Okay, let's work on this door for the chicken's entry and exit. I cut a board that's about an inch, half inch wider than the hole and kind of leaned that up against there, and of course I put a piece of scrap trim down to the bottom, and then I pre-cut these, and I'm gonna lay those, maybe put an 1/8 inch gap on each side of the door so it's easy moving. This will keep the door from sliding left or right. And then we'll put another one and overlap it about 3/4 inch on each side. And that will keep the door, when it goes up and down, from going left to right or crooked and that kind of stuff. It's almost like a guide. And then I will run some screws in there. I got some of these screws here. I run those in, and they're just long enough that they will go into the exterior wood and hold everything in place. So got that all secured, and then I'm going to put myself a screw in right here in the middle. Run that in part ways. Levi's gonna hop up in there and drill us a hole here for the door. So we go ahead and we'll put a hook on there like that, and then up top here you're gonna drill a hole for the rope. Almost through. Made it through. So what you want to do is go ahead and put that door down through. So what you want to do is put that door down through and the channel, the string on the nail, and then you're gonna have to do it one loop Levi. That's enough. So we'll tie that string on the nail and push it down through just like that. Make it real easy. See how easy that is. And then go ahead and tie that string on that hook. Just like that. And then we will grab a hold of the string on this end, and we'll pull the door up and shut. Pull the door up and shut like that. Yeah. So what we want to do is go ahead and put a screw up here, and that's how high we want that board to go, and we'll put another another one on the other side. That is a big chicken. Look at that. Get into that hole. But as you saw, that finishes our door. And until the next time, subscribe and we will see the rest. I will be explaining how I put the roof on, and then the runner. Some people call it the barnyard. Also, I'm going to be sharing how I built the automatic watering system that you only have to water once a month. And also, I'll be including another video of the feeder, and that as well only needs filled every couple weeks. And it's already been tested, and I just need to document it and get it sent out to you guys. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos if that's something you're interested in.